THX-Certified 130 with ch. 8 ohms, 20 Hz to 20 kHz, 0.08% THD, 2 channels driven, FTC, and 250 with ch. 6 ohms, 1 kHz, 10% THD, 1 channel driven, from custom RZ grade parts. 6 rear HDMI inputs, main out, sub-out supporting Dolby Vision, HDR10, and 4K, 60p pass-through and HDCP 2.2. Front HDMI input supports 4K, 60 video at 4:2:0. Dynamic audio amplification, 5 Hz to 100 kHz frequency response, and VLSC on all channels. Ready for Chromecast built-in *2 and DTS Play-Fi *2. Supports 5.2.2-channel Dolby Atmos and DTS, X playback as well as Dolby Surround and DTS, Neural, X mixing for legacy soundtracks. Powered Zone 2A, 2B speaker outputs and Zone 2/3 pre-line output with dedicated DAC supporting network, S, PDIF, HDMI, and analog audio. Click the link below for more info of the product and customers' reviews. Also limited discount available right now.